Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to use Facebook Creator Studio on Android and iOS devices. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. For this one, you have to open Facebook application. Tap on See Dashboard. Scroll down. Here you will see second last option, Creator Support. Tap on it. And here you will find all the necessary information regarding your issues. And from here you can contact to Facebook Creator team and they can sort out your issues. For example, if you have any kind of issue regarding your account management, tap on it. And from here you can get help regarding blue badge, pages, professional mode, two-factor authentication, request a name change. If you need help regarding these issues, you can tap on it. For example, if you want to change the name, tap on it and you have to tap on this form and from here you can change your name. In case if you need assistance for content, you have to tap on content and audience. And from here you can get help regarding creator tools, reels, gaming, audience growth, content standards, insight and analytics, top fans. Now we'll go back. If you need any kind of assistance regarding Facebook monetization, tap on monetization tab and from here you can get help regarding program eligibility, making money with reels, making money with stars, policy guidelines, manage payouts, payout issues. In monetization section, you can get help regarding these topics. Now we'll go back. The last thing is technical issues. If you are facing any kind of technical issue on Facebook, you have to tap on technical issues. And from here, you will see two options. Video will not upload. If you can't upload videos, you can select the first option. If you have other kind of issue, you can tap on troubleshoot your issue. And you can get help according to your issue. So in the same way, you can also use Facebook Creator Studio and you can sort out your issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.